report by cybersecurity researchers at Evina has warned about 25 dangerous Android apps that can steal your Facebook password. From Google to Samsung, Android smartphones are some of the most popular handheld devices around the world. But if you use an Android smartphone, you may want to reconsider which apps you have installed on your device. A new report by Evina, seen by ZDNet, has warned about 25 dangerous Android apps that can steal your Facebook password. ZDNet explained, the apps posed as step counters, image editors, video editors, wallpaper apps, flashlight applications, file managers, and mobile games. And while they've now been deleted from the Google Play Store, before being taken down, the apps had been downloaded more than 2.34 million times. On the surface, the apps appear to offer a legitimate function, but secretly contain malicious code. These are 25 dangerous apps.